morning. It's day 4 of Brighton and it's our last full day here, which we're really sad about because we love being in Brighton. We've not really got much planned today. The weather's different anyway. It's not sunny like it has been for the past few days. It's actually forecast rain, which we're hoping just doesn't happen, but it looks like it could potentially rain. But we're hoping if it does, it only just rains for a little bit rather than like the full day. And it looks a little bit windy as well, so we've not really got much planned. We're hoping to meet up with Brett, who we know through YouTube, and he is also a producer as well. We messaged him yesterday and he said hopefully on his break we can meet up, so that would be good if we do. And apart from that, we've not really got anything planned, so I think we're just gonna venture out now and see what happens. So it's raining. We're literally walking down to the pier because that's the only thing that we can think of to do indoors whilst it's raining. I'm going to be really quick because my camera's getting soaked, but yeah, it's definitely changed. So yeah, so we just went on the arcade machine. I went on the grabbing machine to try and win an Eeyore, which I didn't win. Then we also did air hockey, which I won, and then we did the 2p slot machines, and then we just went to the shops to look around and get some food. And I've just got a Costa and Tracy got a Greg's which is enjoying. And the weather's still raining, we got soaked, so we're just thinking of what we can do. Maybe go to golf to do the second one that we didn't do with Jade Marie and Dawn Louise. But yeah, that's pretty much what's happened so far. So because Tracy's that wet, we're just gonna dry her off with the hairdryer.
It's your fault. Why you didn't share your umbrella?
Because whenever I give Tracy the umbrella to hold because she's the tallest, I get wet. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse. We have got our raincoats on now and we are going to go for a walk rather than be stuck in the hotel. It stopped raining, but we don't know if it's going to carry on raining, so we thought we'd come prepared this time rather than get soaked. can see. We are, my mic almost dying. We are just walking down to the pier so we can maybe go back on there again and get some churros as well, because we really want some churros. And yes, we're just going to walk down to the pier now. We're just walking down near the I-360, and I just wanted to point out that this spot, like there, is where we met Alfie last year. I just wanted to like document that. We've been past it so many times, but I've not documented it. But yeah, like that was where we met Alfie. So we're always going to remember that. Scared to eat this. Literally, a seagull just flew down and took Tracy's sausage out of a hot dog and she'd nearly ate it. I thought it was too good to be true that she'd nearly ate it. Are you okay? It scared me, I screamed so loud. I'm too scared to eat this with the seagulls. Just throw it in there. Yeah, just throw it in, fine. Like, literally, like, scared us. I'm glad it didn't scratch you. It was so close.
I know it hit me.
It literally, like, the wing hit Tracy. Oh. Came from behind us, it took us by surprise. Oh my god.
Are you sure I'm not bleeding?
I'm sure you're not bleeding, I promise you. Oh my god, the scariest thing ever. Seagulls attack in Brighton, seriously. So we are back at the hotel now. I've had to switch to my phone because my camera died. We've just decided, no, we're going to eat churros. We've just got some, which are in here, which the seagulls didn't nick. Got churros, we've got some caramel there, and yeah, I managed to eat my hot dog on the way down. I was very, very like wary of the seagulls though. Every time I heard one, I hid my hot dog. I forgot what it was called then. But yeah, Tracy's recovered now. She's fine. Okay, it was me that screamed, not Tracy. But I think I was more scared anyway than me. But yeah, so we're just going to sit here and eat the churros, and then we're going to go back out because the sun is nice and shiny now. It's nothing compared to what it was like this morning. And it's quite nice that it's now calmed down for our last like evening in Brighton. Tracy's just pulled a sad face, but you can't see her. So yeah, we are going to go back out. We're not just going to stay in, but we're just going to enjoy our churros in the hotel so we don't get them nicked by the seagulls because they're very cheeky.